So this week was a little rough for me, but I made it through on the other side. And I am going to make a recipe for my cookbook to kind of stop thinking about things, because it's honestly one of the things that kind of has been stressing me out a lot lately. And it's ready to get it done. So if you're wondering what I'm making, it's the Loco Moco. I'll put a little thing up here so you can watch it after this video. But yeah, like I said, this week's been kind of rough for me. Depression and other little things kind of creeping in because I'm not taking care of myself as well as I could be. Not noticing like little things that will tend to build up. I think that's kind of me breaking my being conscious of when I'm eating. I know it's not the only reason, but I'm sure it's got to be a big factor, because otherwise I probably wouldn't have drifted off yesterday, which was Friday, like I did. But I did catch it, and I do feel better about catching it. I don't know, yesterday was really rough. The rest of the week was kind of just building up to yesterday, but I got through it. So how's your week been going? If you're doing a reset, I'd love to hear about challenges you faced, things that have made you question why you're doing this. For me, is the fact that I got like 3 hours of sleep the other night, worked a really long day, and decided to drink. I don't know why I thought it'd be a good idea to drink, because that led to me having just a bad day yesterday, which just, it all kind of spiraled. But today's a different day. I'm gonna eat this, and I think I'm just gonna try to have a good day. Hope you have a good and safe Labor Day. I know it's a nothing holiday, but it's always nice to have a day off. If you're interested in what my reset is, I've made a whole video of it, and I'll leave a little box over here or wherever it is on this side. You can check that out if you'd like to join me. That's it. See y'all next time.